Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, nakita nyo na siguro sa title kung ano yung gagawin natin sa video to. So, I'll be showing you the things that I will bring to Georgia. So, today sa Georgia, I think it's winter still. So, it's snowing in Georgia. So, hindi ito yung Georgia sa US ha. Ito yung Georgia sa in-between of Europe and Asia. So, I'll be traveling with Habibi. And you will see him in my vlog. Because some of you will be curious who's Habibi. So guys, I'll be showing you what the clothes I'll be bringing to Georgia because this is the first time I'm going to experience the real winter with snow. So I bought few stock, not few. Actually, I bought everything that I will bring to Georgia just for this trip because really this is the first time that I'll be experiencing snow. So I don't have any clothes for snow, shoes for snows, everything. So because the flight we book is from Pegasus, so it's like a Cebu pack for Turkey actually. So it's a connecting flight. I'll be giving the full details on of our Georgia travel on my next vlog after this trip. So we will be traveling from March 5 until March 9. So it's 5 days and 4 nights. Actually, we'll be traveling the whole day of the first day, the March 5, because it's a connecting flight. So we have a 6 hours layover in Turkey. We're hoping and praying that we can go outside the airport without hassle, so we can go around also Turkey. It's like a side trip also. So I'll be carrying this hand carry because we have only 8 kg allowance for the baggage, so only hand carry. I'll be bringing this Carlton luggage, and then the next one for my bag, for the traveling around bag, I'll be bringing this one. So I'll be showing you first this one, and then the next is clothes. So the first thing you will get in this bag is the most important thing for traveling is the passport. So my passport is inside this pouch. So I'll show you what my passport look like. So this is what my passport look like. So it has a personal cover. So an Philippine passport. I have my privilege card from Oman Air, but I will not be bringing this one. An ID picture and BDO card and the passport. And then also in this pouch, I have an emergency power bank. This is the one because you'll never know when your power bank will be low bat. And sometimes I forgot to charge it after going around the city, like what happened in Dubai. So this is a good thing to bring also, a small power bank just to charge your phone. And then the next thing you'll get here is the actual power bank that I'm using. So this is I think 14,000 power bank mAh, and it has a cord also. And then the next thing is the case for these glasses, because if ever I'm going to sleep, I need to put it back here so it won't get cracked when whatever happens to it, and I don't have any extra glasses. And the next thing is the spray for my nose. So I'm always bringing this thing kasi madaling ma-allergy yung ilong ko. So kahit mainit, malamig, basta may dust, na-allergy talaga siya. So bahing ako ng bahing, and also nagdudugo yung nose ko pag sobrang dry niya sa loob. So kailangan ko mag-spray nito. And then the next thing is mini makeup kit. Not actually mini, but this is the real my makeup kit. So I have only a cushion. This is the one. And then this is the first time I'm going to use this cushion. I just want to try it to winter. And also my friend gave me an advice to put on makeup because I'll be traveling and posting pictures. And then the next thing you'll find here is a lip balm. So a Vaseline lip balm. This is the one. Because it's winter, so my lips will get dry and cracked, that's for sure. And I bring 3 lipsticks just to mix and match with the outfit. And then the eyebrow pencil, and most especially ball pen, so you can fill up a form. And this is the best part of my makeup kit. I always bring my rosary, my trusty rosary. I have this thing since I think 2013. I have this thing. So I always bring in this grocery wherever I go, whenever I left the country, or even just going to work. I have this rosary because it's like my guidance. And then the last thing that you will find on this bag is my wallet. So nag-isipan ko siyang dalhin kasi sobrang laki niya. Ang kailangan ko lang naman dalhin dito is cards, konting cash, tsaka yung QID ko. Yun lang naman yung importanteng dalhin. So, baka magdala na lang ako ng maliit na coin purse o kaya ng pouch. Kung meron man ako makita kasi ito lang talaga yung ginagamit kong wallet. So, that's it for the main bag. So, okay guys, the next thing that I'll be showing you is inside my hand carry or the clothes that I'll be bringing. So, the first thing I'll be bringing inside this bag is the itinerary. So, our confirmed booking in Airbnb. And the next thing is the ticket. Okay guys, the next thing that I'll be showing you is my toiletries. So, ang laman nito is mostly gagamitin ko. So, makikita nyo naman siya kasi transparent yung so, nandito yung toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, yung panglinis ng mukha, and then a sunscreen. So I'll be bringing a sunscreen, even it's winter, you need a sunscreen, and a moisturizer, and then also a medicine if ever something happened in my stomach, and a cream for my pimples and acne, and then a hair comb and the cottons and a feminine things. That's it. That's inside my toiletries bag. I will not discuss everything. And then guys, next after toiletry is yung mga undies, so yung mga panloob ko. Nandito na siya, medyas, bra, panty. Dito na, hindi ko na papakita syempre. Nakakahiya ipakita. And then, sa sobrang bait nung kaibigan ko, kasi wala naman talaga akong camera na professional camera, pinahiram niya ako ng camera kasi ang ginagamit ko lang pang video, pang picture. Ngayon, actually, ang ginagamit ko pag film is yung cellphone ko lang, which is iPhone 6s. So, dito din ako nag-e-edit dahil wala naman talaga akong gamit. So, parang pag sinipag lang ako edit, pag tinamad-tamad ako mahaba-habang panahon bago ko i-edit tsaka i-upload, katulad na nangyayari dun sa mga video ko na napapanood nyo na dito sa YouTube. So, ito yung pinahiram niya sa akin. Ano to? Fujifilm X-A2? So, ayun siya. So, flip screen siya. Sabi niya, pwede ko naman daw gamitin to for vlogging. Pero iniisip ko, wag na lang kasi kailangan siguro dito computer talaga yung gagamitin mo pag i-edit ko na. So, gamitin ko na lang siya for pictures or for extra videos. Pero let's see. Kasi maganda yung camera kasi nakakahiya sa kanya, di ba? Pero mabait yun. So, pinahiram niya ako. Thank you, Moms! Shout out na rin sa'yo. Parehas kayo ni Michan. Tinulungan niyo ako dito sa trip na to. So, si Michan for the outfits and you for the camera. So, thank you guys. So, next up is the clothes that I'll be bringing and wearing. Actually, tinulungan ako nung friend ko na half Japanese and half Filipina to mix and match my clothes. So, I already have a plan in my mind which one I'll be wearing every day. So, actually, 5 days yung plinano na namin na susuotin ko. So, bahala na ako. Sinave ko na rin yung picture kasi pinicturean ko siya para isend sa kanya kung okay na yon. So, nag-agree naman siya. So, shoutout nga pala kay Michan. So, ayun na. Tinulungan niya ako. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung una, yung mga pambaba. So, mga pants na dadalhin ko. So, I'll be bringing 3 pants and 1 skirt. So, the first one is this. So, nabili ko siya sa Uniqlo. Actually, most of my clothes I bought in Uniqlo in the Philippines. So, nung last year, nagbakasyon ako sa Pilipinas. Naplano na kasi tong trip na to. So, inisip ko nang bumili sa Uniqlo ng mga heat tech kasi sila lang alam ko may ganun. Payo na rin ng kaibigan kong tumulong sa akin sa mga damit na to. So, ito yung una, pants. Puro mostly leggings. Isa lang yung pants talaga na pantalon. So, this is the first one. And then the next one is same like this, but a different design. So, this is the next one. All from Uniqlo. I forgot how much ko siya nabili kasi ang tagal na nun, tsaka nasuot ko naman na to. So, yan. And then, yung skirt, actually, pang office to, bibit-biting ko lang siya. Also, from Uniqlo, this is the skirt. So, the last one is the pants that I'm going to wear on the travel day itself. So, ang dala ko naman may dala din ako isang dress. So, ito yung isang dress. Sa surplus ko naman siya nabili. Sa Pilipinas din. So, ito siya. Medyo mahaba siya ng konti. Tapos, ang sumunod na binili ko, puro Uniqlo na to. Itong lahat na to, Uniqlo na siya. Ang alam ko, basta, ito lahat na to, Uniqlo na. So, puro long sleeve lang to. Puro heat tech. So, apat na heat tech. So, kasi ginawin ako. So, apat na heat tech yung binili ko. Mix and match na lang tayo. And then, isang hindi heat tech. And then, for the jackets, bumili ako. Yung iba, binili ko sa mall. Yung iba, binili ko sa Shein. Sa isa siyang online store dito sa Middle East. Hindi ko alam kung available siya sa Pilipinas. Pero I think Middle East lang. So, yung una, ito siya. Hoodie. Binili ko. So, this one is from Victoria's Secret. Sale ko lang siya nabili. Siguro natin na lang yung isusuotin ko sa travel day para comfy siya. And then the next one is this one. This thing. It's like a cardigan. Pero sabi ng kaibigan ko, hindi siya pang winter. Pero let's see. Try na lang natin na patungan pa siya ng winter jacket. And then the next thing is this red faux fur. Ang ganda naman siya. So, pang aura-aura lang ba? And then the next one is the leather jacket I bought here in Doha. So, I have this leather jacket from Reserve since 2016. So, good thing meron na ako nito. Hindi ko na kailangan bumili kasi siguro lang mahal ng leather jacket ngayon. So, ito. And then for this, I think for the scarf, I have two. So, this, the first one is from Shein. And also, I think I bought one from New Yorker. So, I think this is the one from New Yorker. I bought it also. So, this is the gray one. See, I still have the tag. So, it's 9 reals only. So, it's full fur also. Because my friend advised me to buy this one. I'm not sure if this is the one she's talking about, but I like this one because it's so soft. This one, so I have two, and then I have one what do you call this thing? Bonnet. So meron ako dyan. So if ever na hindi ko na kaya talaga, kinikinom ko na yung ating mga kaulunan. Ayan, may ganyan na tayo. So para na akong lalaka, di ba? Alam niyo yun. Then next is na binili ko na na accessory is this thing. Bumili ako ng tights para idodoble ko dun sa mga pants ko kasi ginawin talaga ako. Ewan ko ba, ba't ako pupunta sa isang malamig na lugar na nag-snow pa. Ginawin naman talaga akong totoo. So, bumili ako ng dalawa. Wash and wear? Or pwede naman sigurong kasi hindi mo pagpapawisan doon. Pero bahala na. And then, pinahiram ako nung kaibigan ko ng gloves. Ito. Galing din daw to ng New Yorker. So, ito yung gloves. Pinahiram niya ako. So next, guys, is the winter jacket. So I try to find the cheapest thing in the market here in Doha because everything here is expensive as far as I know. Because hindi naman nagwi-winter dito. Pero ewan ko ba, bakit may binibenta silang mga winter jacket? Yung mga ganun ba? Hindi ko rin mag-gets kasi hindi naman sobrang lamig dito. Hindi na kailangan mo pa yung mga ma-puff na na damit. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito na yung pinakamura. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, ang galing-galing kong humanap ng sale. Sabi din ng nanay ko. So, nabili ko lang siya ng 79 real. So, mostly lang binibentang ganito is 100 patas. 100 real patas. So, around 1,400. Pero ito, nabili ko siya on sale. So, this is the one. Hindi ko na masyado ipapakita. I-ano ko na lang sa vlog yung mga OOTD natin. So, ito na siya. Maiksi lang yung binili ko kasi ayoko naman ng sobrang haba. Kasi mahirapan naman akong kumilos pag sobrang balot ko. So, ito siya. So, So, pwede siyang di-zipper, o pwede mo siyang i-zipper, pwedeng hindi, pwedeng i-button mo lang yung ilalim, kasi di-button din siya. Tapos, ang maganda pa, yung hood niya, natatanggal pag ayaw mo na mag-hood. So, iyan siya. Pero yung, alam nyo ba kung magkano original price ito? 200 reals siya. So, sale ko talaga siya nabili. Which is, thank God, yung unang branch na napunta ako, New Yorker, meron na sila nito, kaso wala sa size ko. So, nagpunta ako ng ibang branch, which is malayo na sa akin. And thankfully, nakahanap ako ng size ko. So, thank you. And then, next is shoes. Bumili ako ng dalawang shoes kasi wala naman akong boots. May boots ako, isa lang. Heels pa siya. So, ayoko naman magtiis ganda sa paglalakad, diba? So, bumili ako ng dalawang shoes. Ito siya from XTI. XTI yung brand niya. Ngayon ko lang siya narinig. And, hindi ko talaga siya kilala. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita din sa mall. Nung nag-iikot-ikot kami ng kaibigan ko. So, ang bili ko dun sa shoes is 125 reals. So, hanggang below na siya. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung box. Medyo malaki. So, ito yung shoes. Ang maganda pa dito, sobrang comfortable niya. Alam nyo ba, ang size ko is 41. Sobrang laki ng paa ko, diba? So, ito yung style niya. So, may kulot-kulot siya sa likod, ganyan. Di-zipper siya, which is maganda. Full yung zipper niya hanggang baba. Tapos, ito yung design niya lang yata. Talagang pinaka-design. Hindi naman kasi siya mahihigpitan sa legs. So, sobrang comfy niya. Tapos, nung tinanong ko si ate na sales lady, kung magkano yung original price niya, ay, ma'am, magugulat ka. 300 plus daw to. Tapos sabi ko, buti na lang pala, nakita ko siya kasi nabili ko lang ng 125. Ang mahal ng boots, mga bakla. So, yun yung unang sapatos. Dalawa lang yung dadalhin ko. Ay, hindi naman dadalhin. Oh, dalawa. Isang suot ko na pag alis, tapos isang susot ko sa bag. So, yung pangalawa is yung pang snow ko. So, ito siya from Shoe Express. So, para siyang department store ng mga sapatos dito sa Doha. So, lahat ng style makikita mo doon, mga hindi naman imitation, parang dupe ng mga branded na sapatos. Yung makikita, even bag, may makikita kang dupe. So, from Shoe Express, ito siya. Ito ang pinakamagandang nabili ko sa lahat. Kasi 40 real lang siya. Boots na siya, pang snow na boots actually. So, hindi ko alam yung original price niya kasi tinanggal nila. Ayan. Actually, alam nyo ba, parang yung para sa akin talaga siya. Kasi yung size niya, yung size ko na lang yung natitira. So, wala na siyang ibang size. So, if ever na hindi pa siya kasya sa akin, so, iyak na lang ako, diba? So, thank God, nagkasya naman. And comfy naman siya. So, ito siya. Para siyang Timberland, diba? So, 40 reals lang siya. Size 39 yung nabili ko. Ewan ko ba't dito size 39. Tapos dun sa isa sa 41. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Diba? Mukha siyang Timberland. So, okay na din siya. Isang 40 lang, girl. May magre-reklamo ka ba sa 40 real? So, yun na. So, yun lang yung mga dala ko. Ay, nakalimutan ko sabihin. So, that's it, guys. Yun lang yung mga dadalhin ko. And, hindi ko alam kung paano ko pagkakasyahin actually dito sa maletang to. Pero, try ko. So, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and sana ma-enjoy niyo yung video na to kahit ang boring-boring niya kasi damit lang naman siya tsaka yung mga bagay na dadaling kong pang arte-arte lang sa Georgia trip na to. And also, I'll be uploading all my vlogs. Itatry ko kung per day kaya kong mag-vlog about dun sa trip na yun or hindi ko sure kasi talaga sobrang tamad ko din. Kasi mas gusto kong i-enjoy yung place. Siyempre, first time ko maka-experience ng snow. So, yun na lang guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And thank you for watching. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye!